welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you fresh-faced, fresh dripping wet hair right out the shower to show you guys some new products I got and try them out here for you for the first time on camera to see if they're really worth the hype, I guess. Today we have 3 products. One I have tried before already, I already know that I love, and 2 from the Camille Rose Naturals line. Now the first one you'll see here is the curl maker, which is like a gel, which I've seen a lot of people claim that they love, and I don't know, I just wanted to give it a try. This does retail for around $22, I want to say. I got this one from Sally's. They also have it at Target, but Target sells out of these really fast. Next was this leave-in conditioner from Camille Rose, the Honey Hydrate Leave-In Collection. And it's so cute. It comes in this like honey jar. And the first ingredient is, of course, honey. And it just, I'm a sucker for packaging, as you guys already know. Lastly, what I've already tried before and know that I love is the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. This is what I'm going to be using as my cream. So today we're just going to be following the typical leave-in conditioner, cream, and oil method. So LCO method. That's normally what I follow for my washing goes. And yeah, so hopefully this comes out bomb. I'm really excited. I'm not really a gel person, so I'm excited to see how this defining custard works. To prove to you guys that I haven't used it before, the packaging is not even open, so the consistency. Don't need that much, don't need that much. So these products are definitely a little on the higher end. You normally would not see me spend $23 or so on a little 9-ounce jar of conditioner. But I'm trying new products. I'm trying to step out of my comfort zone. I've been using the same leave-in conditioners and deep conditioners for years now, and I'm trying to up my game, see what else is out there. Invest in my crown, as they say. I have some warm water right here because I know my hair probably dried out. Now what I look for in leave-in conditioners is that it can detangle my hair, as well as, of course, adding more moisture and leave my hair soft and shiny would be great. So let's see how this Camille Rose Honey Hydrate does. It has honey, olive fruit oil, castor oil, aloe leaf juice, bilberry fruit, sugar cane, sugar maple, sweet, like it's just like a lot of stuff. It sounds edible. So, all right, let's get into it. Here you go, consistency shot again. Okay, so it's definitely adding a type of sheen to my hair, if you guys can see that. I'm gonna add a little bit more to this section. Here are my curls. They don't look bad. Okay, we're gonna follow this with my Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. A lot of people like to use these, use this as like a, to do the 2-strand twist and things like that. I found that I love it for wash and goes. I don't know why, but every time I use it, it comes out bomb. So put a little bit of that on there. So they're working together pretty well. You know, I don't see any white flakes or anything or clumping. My hair is definitely a mix of smells right now. Okay. So this is just a mix of oils. I know avocado's in here and tea tree and castor, I think. Probably some other things, but I'm not sure. Just gonna use that to seal. I'm getting a little bit of frizz, but I think that's because my hair is not completely wet as it should be. Here we go with the Curl Maker Camille Rose Gel. Okay, so this is kind of gooey. Ooh. Okay, this got rid of that frizz. Oh man. Just from the few minutes of using these products, I can tell the shrinkage is gonna be extremely real. And I'm not one to like obsess with stretching it out and all that. I just kind of let it shrink and do its thing. So here's what we got so far. The gel. I like the shine I'm getting. The smells are overwhelming, so maybe those will go away. Let's keep going. I'll come back to you guys last section. Bye. Okay, so here are my finished results. I am getting some white clumping right there, but that's not from these products. That's from me not washing my deep conditioner out well enough. It's not even throughout my whole entire head, it's just certain parts. That's a habit I have. I will say that this leave-in conditioner, the honey, when you warm it up, when you like do this to warm it up to put in your hair, it like gets really hot and interesting. I don't know how to explain it, but it just like warms up really well. It's interesting. The gel was easy to work with, lots of slip. Also helped with detangling more, so I'm really a fan of the gel, like out of all of this, the gel. And I mean, I didn't even knock much off. Like you see, it's all just right there. Like I did my whole head. So leave-in, I put a good dent in it, but I don't know. Okay, my air conditioning just turned on, but I'm just gonna air dry a little bit and then do the plot method and then go to bed, and we'll see what it looks like in the morning. Okay. Hey guys, first of all, good morning. So, as you can see, this came out horribly. Very voluminous, which some of you may love, but it's extremely frizzy. Let me see if I can get, and there's like little to no definition. Like, I knew it was going to turn out like this because last night when I turned off the camera, my hair immediately started to like frizz up and just get dry super fast. Now I know you saw the clips, I drenched my hair in water. It should not dry that fast. Honey leave-in, it's extremely sticky. It smells great, it seems to moisturize great, but it's so sticky, which of course the first ingredient's honey. Nelia, come on, you know. I went online to do some research because how can so many people love this product and it just doesn't work for me? So I come to some conclusions. This honey leave-in, a little goes a long way. When I thought I used a little, no. We need to use even less than that. I did love the honey and I did love the gel, but I was like, doing some more research, I found out that those products work better by themselves. So I probably messed up adding the Aunt Jackie's Curl-La-La with it, even though I do love this stuff tremendously for washouts, for wash and goes. It does not work well with this particular leave-in. Because I'm not a quitter, I will be redoing this. And you know, this is all trial and error. That's what natural hair is. It's just not doing it for me, and it's kind of dull and it is flaking a little at the top. So I just want to redo it and give Camille Rose the benefit of the doubt. We're gonna try this again, and I'm gonna record it, and we're gonna do a redo and see how it comes out without Miss Jessie's and a little of the honey leave-in, because that stuff was extremely sticky. When I tell you, like, it was on my face and I felt like I had to rewash my body because it was just extremely sticky. Like, I don't know if I'll be buying it again, but we're gonna try one more time because I do want to give it a full try, like correctly using it. So we'll see. So stay tuned for that, guys.